Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will discuss about the practical aspects of the use of reference managers, and in this practical we will discuss about the use of Endnote. Endnote is a reference management software. So the contents of today's practical are, uh, first of all, we will have an overview that what is reference manager. Then we will have an introduction to Endnote. Then we will learn about how to download references, then making an Endnote library and uploading full-length papers in Endnote library, then setting and editing reference style in Endnote, and at the end inserting references in Word file. So first of all, what is a reference manager? A reference manager is actually a software package that allows us to organize, collect, and use bibliographic references or citations. So before using a reference manager, we must know what a bibliography is. Bibliography is actually the list of literature, including books, research articles, review articles, or any other material that is used during the preparation of a script. That could be a thesis, a research paper that you are writing. So when you take help from certain materials and you write a thesis, so whenever we write a thesis and we take help from a material, we write reference of that material we took help from. So that material, that helping material, is listed at the end of the article or book or a thesis. So that list is actually called as bibliography. And bibliographic citation is a reference to a particular article or particular book or web page or any other published material uh, from where we read an information and we are going to interpret it. So now we move towards Endnote. What is Endnote? Endnote is actually a powerful tool that is used for reference management, and it also helps us to organize full text of the collected material, and it is also having a web tool version as well. So here we can create and manage reference lists, and we can personalize our libraries. In using this software, we can save our lot of time that could be lost during organizing research articles. So it helps us to locate full text PDF file, and helps us to manage all the material, all the references in a very good manner. It enables searching of reference libraries by author, keywords, dates, etc. In Word document, automatically reformats the references in APA format and any other format that you want to insert it. Many online databases allow references to be sent directly into Endnote, and we will have a practice using Google Scholar software, webware, uh, and it can also store and organize images, graphs, tables, etc. So there are many different uses of Endnote. So we will have an overview what an Endnote is. So here is an interface. So first I'm showing this Endnote interface here, and then we will see the practically how to operate different menus of this. So here it looks like EndNote looks like. So the first panel is a left corner. In this panel, you can see certain different tabs are here. Here it is showing all references, unfiled references, trash means that you have deleted, then groups. So when we collect references, we can make different groups, and according to the desire, or according to the categorization of your articles. Like if you have collected some articles related to barcode SNPs, we can put the references here. And if you have collected some references related to a certain crop like chilies, you can put references in this group. So likewise, you can make groups of your own choice, and you can manage these. Here it is a list of references that we have downloaded, and then at the bottom we have detail of these references, and we can preview our reference here. And right side of the bottom, here is an attached file of the manuscript, the reference. Like if it is an article, then we have attached full length of this article, and we can read it over here, and we can locate it, and we can read it in Adobe PDF, and it is easily trackable. Okay, so we move towards the Endnote software. This is Endnote software, and we demonstrated how we can set up. First, we have to set up its library. So first of all, I show you how to set up a library. Here, at the first usage, it asks you to create a library, and we can rename this file, and we must make it sure that we save this library to a place where other than C drive, because C drive gets disturbed when we reinstall the Windows. So in some other drive you can save it. So like I'm saving it in D drive, so I can rename it my articles. So I have made this library now. Okay, so the library is created. Now we are having an empty library where there is no article inserted or no reference imported. So after setting up library, now we have to download references. So I will demonstrate how to download references. So in Endnote, we are having certain options. Here, this is a library, and we can change this interface by hiding search panel from here, or we can show the search panel. Okay, in Endnote, there is an option of online search mode. So from this online search mode, we can download references. So here there are different online search tools, including Library of Congress, Lista, PubMed, Web of Science. So normally I prefer using PubMed because most of the articles related to medical sciences or basic sciences or sciences, life sciences, those are included in it. So we click on it, and we show search panel from here. So here we are having certain different options to search an article. Like we can search an article by using author name, or year of publication, and title of the research article. For example, if we want to search an article having a partial title of functional analysis of OS HSBP1 and OS HSBP2, we strike enter button, and after striking this button it will start searching, and it come up with one record. So here it shows found one record. We click it OK. So it will show us an article in this module. Okay, we wait for some time, and the article appears here. Okay, so now we are having a research article here. The title of the article, authors, journal, last update. This last update is in our library, so we have updated this today. And type of reference, like it is a journal article, book chapter, or something else. So these are the all informations. Here we can see the reference details. We can scroll it down to see all the details, and we can see abstract from here and many other informations. You can preview the reference. It will be cited like this, and then if we attach some article here, like if we have a PDF of this article, we can attach from here. So if we don't have, then we need to download it from internet. Okay, so once we have downloaded a reference, we need to save it. Otherwise, if we will search new items, we will lose the old items. So before saving it, we need to go to our library, and we have to create groups. So first we right click on my groups panel, and we click on create group. Now we can rename it any. We can write our name, or we can write a crop, like I write right. Okay, so after changing it, we go to library again that we have searched from. Okay, so this is our searched item. We add this reference to our library, our group that we have created, that is rice. Okay, so coming back to our library, this is a reference that we have added in our group. So now we can attach full-length article. Here is an option, a pin icon is here. We can attach file of full-length article with this. So we click on it. If we have downloaded a file, we have already downloaded it. So we can scroll to. Okay, so we have located our file, and we open it. Okay, so now the full-length article has also been attached with this. Now whenever we want to read this article, we don't need to go to different folders and search out where the article is. We just click on it and we can open it. So the full-length article can be read from here directly, or if you want to open this article, you can easily click on this folder, and you can open the file attached with this reference. It will be opened in PDF. Okay, like we demonstrate it here. Now the file is opened in PDF. You can easily read it, and after reading you can close it. Okay, so this is how we can attach PDF file. Okay, so that was searching articles from online search mode of Endnote. Another tool that could be used to search references is Google Scholars. So we can also learn about it. So first of all, we have to log into. We have to load the page of scholars.google.com.pk. So after that, we have to go to settings. First of all, we have to enable the bibliography manager. So it should be Endnote selected here. Then we save the settings so that Endnote link appears below our citations that we want to import. Okay. So if we want to search, if we want to search the same article that we have already searched, HSBP1 rice, so it will search, and the same article has been searched here. Now we can import it into Endnote directly from here. Or if we want to import some other reference, like if we are interested in the second article, because the first one have already been imported to Endnote, the second article could also be imported. Or if we are interested in some other article, that can be imported as well. So we import the second article. Okay, the file will be saved. It will prompt for the location. Okay, after saving this file, we open it, and this file will directly open in Endnote. Okay, so now the reference has been imported. This reference has been imported, and now we can shift this reference, add this reference to our groups that we have already created, so that we can arrange all our desired references according to the groups we have made. So here we also move this to rice. Okay, so you can see here the reference details. We can preview it as we have previously demonstrated for the last reference. Okay, and we can also attach a file, full-length file, as we have demonstrated previously. After setting up a library and uploading full-length paper into Endnote library, downloading references, the second important thing is to set up and edit styles in Endnote, and that is very important. So we learn something about it. Here in references menu, edit menu, we are having output styles, and here is an option of output style manager. Below this, we are having options, several options, that annotated style, APA6 style, and many other styles are there, crop science style, and many other styles. All these styles will appear here only when we select from Open Style Manager. So we click on it. So you can see here some of the reference styles have been checked and others are unchecked. So these checked softwares, these checked reference styles will appear in the list of reference styles, while others will not appear. So from here, the already present reference styles we can check, and if we want to use those, we can easily use. For example, evaluation review, if we are interested in it, or in experimental agriculture, if we have to submit our research paper in that journal, or any other like food chemistry. So if we are interested in any software reference style that is already present in Endnote, we can opt it. Okay, then we close this window. Now you can see from this output style that we have newly selected like evaluation review or experimental agriculture, and many other has already been enlisted here. So we can choose any of the style like crop science. We can choose style reference style here. Okay, despite of the presence of many reference styles, we can also edit these styles according to our need. Like if some university requires some specific type of reference style, and we don't have that style with us, we can simply click here, edit crop science, or any other style that resembles to the desired style. And here are different options like citation. There is a template, and we can select here the option, and we can edit and modify certain options. Then bibliography. Bibliography means the list of references, and we can change reference style here or citation style here. So all options could be edited. Like if you want to change comma or et al after 2 or 3 authors, or you want to change et al into italic or non-italic, and there are certain other options that we can edit from here, and you can explore when you will work with this. If you have to italicize the title of the article, you can italicize it. If you want to remove the italic, you can do that, and many other options could be changed from this, and you can save that template. Okay, we close it. This is all about how we can edit these references. At the end, we will learn about how to insert references in Word file. So we open a new Word file here, and we write some sentences, and then we will demonstrate that how we can enter reference from here. First of all, we must check the Endnote add-in. So here in this Word, we already have installed Endnote add-in, and Endnote tab is also present here. So here there are several different options that we can use. So in this, there is an insert citation option, insert selected citation. If we have selected some citation in Endnote, and we click here insert selected citation, the selected citation will be inserted. Likewise, if we have clicked somewhere in a Word file, and we just press this button here, you can see this button, insert citation. It will instantly insert the selected citation to the place where cursor is present in Word. So I just demonstrate both the methods. Okay, we write some sentence like okay, we write this sentence, and now we have selected this reference, okay, and we want to insert it. So we have two options. Either we come to this Word file and go to this insert selected citation. It will automatically insert citation, and at the end of the document the reference will be inserted. Similarly, if we want to insert reference directly from here, like if we want to reference directly from here and the cursor is at the right place, then we directly insert citation, and the selected citation will be inserted at the point of cursor, so you can see it. Okay. Similarly, if we want to insert both these references together, then we must select both references together and insert together. Like if we want to insert these two references in the same place, then we must select both together and click here. Both references will appear in the same bracket, means in the same place. So it is simple and it is very easy to insert citations and manage citations using Endnote. Okay, then we can change reference style. Like if we want to use APA6 style, we can just click from here, and the list that is appearing here is the same that we have selected from the output style manager. So we can select here, and it will reformat according to APA6 style. So now you can see you have easily changed the style. Similarly, you can change the style to some other. If we want numbered style, you can click on it. It will change to the numbered style, and it easily reformats. Yes, so you can easily reformat your references from this. So I hope this video will help you to learn about Endnote software, and in case of any queries or in case of you need any help, you are most welcome to ask the questions. Thank you very much.